up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro anyway, welcome. Today I just created a back to school everyday makeup look. I'm recording this a little bit late, so it will be up after school has started, but it's better late than never. This is also my quick get out of the house look. If I'm going out after work, I'll wake up a little bit earlier and just do this. Or if I'm going somewhere and there's not much time to get ready, this is what I'll do. So I've recorded this look for you. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys like it. First, I'm going to start off with some primer. I'm just going to use the Benefit Porefessional primer. Kudos to people who can wake up in the morning and apply makeup every day. I'm not one of those people. When I was in high school, I definitely was not one of those people. I went to an all-girls school, so I didn't really give two shits. And then in college, oh yeah, right, I was too tired to even like be able to get up in the morning and put makeup on. But kudos to those who can. That's still not me. That's the best part. Like, I do not go to work with makeup on my face. I cannot wake up for the life of me to apply makeup and go to work. It's the only time I ever wear makeup is if I'm going out after work. And I'll have to wake up very early and be able to apply makeup. And I won't even do eyeshadow. I'll just do like whatever I'm doing today. And I'll still like want to kill everybody that day because I'm so tired that I had to wake up maybe the hour earlier or the 45 minutes earlier than I had to apply makeup. Next, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte foundation in Natural Buff. So what we're doing right now is just covering all the stress pimples that we get from freaking out about school and studying. So I'm just dabbing the excess foundation from the Beauty Blender onto my eyelids, just because if you don't apply anything on your eyelids, there will be a bit of a different shade thing happening with your eyelids and the rest of your face. So I just do that so everything matches. Next, we are going to conceal those dark circles from staying up all night and studying using the NARS Radient Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. I can't even tell you how many all-nighters I pulled to study for a test. That's a lie. I pulled 0 all-nighters to study for tests. Yeah, I was the study before the test kind of person, you know, like 15 minutes before the test. Next, I'm taking a Mercier translucent setting powder and setting all of that so it doesn't melt off when you are sweating through a test. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm using the MAC eyebrow pencil. Next, I'm just taking the BrowGal Tinted Brow Gel and just running that through my brows just to create some more volume. Taking a Morphe R10 brush, I am just going to sweep away all of the powder and then use whatever's left on my brush to just set my eyelids because I applied foundation on them earlier. Next, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Flyliner Longwear Liquid Eyeliner in just the black shade and create a wing liner. I have seen people rub their eyes and this not smudge at all or move at all. So, you know, it's perfect for when you're exhausted and you're sitting in class rubbing your eyes. It's not going anywhere. So we're going to take some mascara, and today I'm using the Benefit BrowGal Bang Mascara. For the bottom lashes, we're using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara, just in case you yawn and your eyes get too watery while sitting in class. So today we are not going to contour, we're just going to bronze. Who the hell has time in the morning to bronze and then contour? Like nobody. So today we're using the Benefit Hoola bronzer and the Morphe R7 brush. Next it's time for blush, and we're using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Feisty. And for highlight, we are going to use the Dose of Colors and I Love Seta E collection in Bathe. So I am just going to pick a nude shade for my lips. I'm going to line my lips with the CoverGirl Lip Perfection Lip Liner in 205. It'll just help your lipstick stay on a lot longer. So yeah, when you're eating lunch, this will be on still. I'm going to use the Burt's Bees lipstick in 502 Suede Splash. I love this lipstick because it's more of a buttery consistency, and it gives you, there's a bit of a shine at the end, so it looks like you're also wearing lip gloss, which is kind of cute. So now it's time to set your face, so when you're running in gym, this shit isn't melting off. I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. Alright guys, I'm done with my back to school everyday makeup look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next video. I don't go to makeup with work on my face. The fuck did I just say? And light, nope. Next we are going to do our and I'm going to use the MAC'd. I'm officially done.